feel, and this is funny, I feel like I'm giving up my secret. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, like the video, comment, and follow me on Instagram. If you're returning, what's up? It's me. It's Taina. All right, we're gonna get started. So I'm actually filming 2 other videos today. Yeah, life is hard. When I get time, I have to go crazy. But I didn't think I was gonna film this one. But for those videos, when you talking and you feel like you just need nails. Like I be talking with my hands, and I'm like, it doesn't have the same effect if I don't have nails on. And I feel like for these next 2 videos that I'm about to film after this, I need the nails. I need the nails. So I was like, damn, I definitely gotta do my nails. I was just gonna do my nails really quick, not from a video, but I know that mad people always ask me about my nails when I post them on Instagram, and I figured I might as well do a tutorial. So if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of know some of this stuff. Just bear with me, I'll get to it. If you don't, I get all of my nails from the Nailest. I think I'm gonna plug a few pictures. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram so you can see what my nails be looking like. I get all of my nails from the Nailest, and they be looking bomb. Like they look so good. I love press-ons, especially in a pandemic, because I am not going to the nail salon. That's dirty. I mean, I'll go for a pedicure because you kind of need those, but like for my nails, there's no reason for me to be there. All right, I've been quarantining my ass off in this house, and I'm not risking it for nothing. So press-ons have become my new best friend. I've gotten pretty good at them, and this brand, top tier. Like when I was looking for press-ons, it was a struggle. But once I found this brand, like I haven't got anything since, and I'm pretty sure, when did I start? Like July? No, I started earlier. Actually, I lied. I started like June, I think. Yeah, June. Because I had them for my graduation pictures. But yeah, I haven't bought anything else. This is, ooh, it got dark. Okay, there you go. This is the Nailest. This is their packaging. They have some other packaging now. They have acrylic nails. I'm wearing those more often, but for now I'm gonna go with these because I bought these and I haven't worn them yet. So when you open them up, this is a package. I was gonna pre-size before filming this, but you see the whole thing. So I like to buy nails like this that come with a bunch of sizes and you pick yours versus the pre-sized nails. I do this because when I was getting my nails the first time, I tried the size nails and I was like, oh, okay, I can measure my nail, that's easy, no problem. And I don't know if it was like the brand that I tried, because it was also a new brand. So I had tried this brand and I got the size ones, and they were horrible. Like they hurt my fingers OD. They kept popping off. Like everything felt wrong. And I was like, okay, clearly this is not for me. So I switched, and that's actually what made me find these. So these come with multiple sizes. You can just kind of size as you go, which I really like. So yeah, I'm gonna size them real quick. I'll show you in a second. I kind of know which one is mine, so I get the same type of pack. So I normally pick the second or third one, and I just cover each nail like this, like so. So you can kind of see, like, it's just a perfect fit. It's gonna have a little, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's rounded really well, so you're gonna have to push it down on the nail. Obviously, you're gonna see what it looks like flat. Don't get one that's gonna sit on your nail perfect when it's rounded like this, because then when you push it out, it's gonna cover your nail like out here to the skin, and that one, it looks weird too. It's probably gonna hurt like hell because nail glue is like real sticky. So I size like this. I just push them down. I'm like, okay, that works for me. Here we go. And then I lay them out the same way the box has them, but just I take out the ones that are my hand to make things easier, because I tend to lose things in about 2 seconds. I do it inside the cap. So I'll just start moving them into where I want them to be, aligning with the hand they're going to be on. And once you get one hand, you already know what number in the line you use, so you can just repeat for the next one. All right. So I'm going to finish sizing. All right, that's done. I can kind of show you guys without messing them up, but they're lined up like I said. So I just like to do that first before I do anything. Then I get to business. First thing I do, alcohol wipes. So they can have those wipes that are like nicer for your hands and stuff. Now I use the crazy harsh wipes when I'm doing this. Like this one's 75% alcohol. Yeah, even opening it stinks like alcoholic straight. And I wipe my nail, like the nail itself, directly with that. I mean, it's Rona season, so like I'll just wipe my whole hand for fun, but the focus is on the nail. I let that kind of dry out a little, do a little dance. Then the nail kit comes with one of these. I just push back my cuticles just a little bit. To go back to my nail salon comment, I take it back. So no, I don't take it back though. Actually, I won't be in there in a pandemic because that's gross. But when it's safe and the vaccines are out, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm gonna definitely be in there. Why? Because my cuticles are a wreck. A wreck. It's disgusting. It really is. Okay, not disgusting. I'm being dramatic, but I don't like it. So yeah, I just push down. You know what? Can I do this in the camera? No, I can't. That's awkward anyways. You guys can see from here. I just push down a little at the bed. I don't use the pointy side because one time I cut myself with that. I'm gonna leave that part for the experts. Not even gonna go there. Not even gonna go there. All right. Cuticle to push back. Then I go on with filer. I already filed my actual nails down, but what you need to do is kind of buff your nails. So I go with the filer across the nail like this a few times. They actually give you something to buff it with, but me being myself, I lost it. I can't find it. And I wanted to film these videos and I did not have time to be searching 30 minutes through everything you see behind me. Hell no, I was not doing that. All right. But anyways, get my hair out of my face because now this is go time. Nope. Okay, that's not right, whatever. I like to start by putting the nails onto my right hand. Since my right is my dominant hand, I kind of get the sad part over first because obviously putting things on my left I'm not as good at. I never do the thumbs until the bitter end. But before I even do that, I learned this tip from Taina. I take the nail and you just want to have it like this. I pretend my hand is a table. Just push it down a little bit if it's too rounded out. I find the ones from Nailest are fine for me, or maybe my nail shape is weird, but I did watch a video where she gave us that tip and it low-key helps with the application process and makes it last longer. So that's definitely something you want to do. But once you do that, you take your glue. The glue that I seem to have lost. Okay. Oh, here it is. All right. So you have your glue. Tip for nail glue, I should have mentioned this. When you open this shit, make sure you leave it standing up because there's no yes, it has a cap to make sure it doesn't dry out, but that shit will still spill out if you hold it like this. And then it's a pain in the ass. The nozzle is covered in glue. It doesn't work. But anyways, let's get going. All right, so I'm gonna start, like I said, with the right hand. I put the nails out and this time I flip them. So I flip them upside down, like this is on the table. So I have them up like this so I can put a drop of glue in there and a drop of glue on my finger. And when I say a drop, I do mean a drop. If you put too much glue, it's gonna come oozing out. It's gonna be all on your skin. Like I said, that shit hurts. I know because I did it the first few times. You really only need a little bit. And when I do it on the nail, I don't like to just leave it in the glove. I like to kind of spread it, especially towards the area closer to my cuticle. That way it will stick. The one on the nail, I don't spread out though. So I do that. You take your nail and you just flip it onto your own. But once you put it on, you want to press it down. You're going to try to make sure you don't touch the actual nail with glue because it'll get on the polish and it won't look as nice. But if the glue gets out, what I like to do is keep that same wipe that I had and just wipe. They say not to get your hands wet for like 3 hours after you put these on. So I try my best to do that. I'm not going to say it works, but I try my best. And then instead of using water, obviously since you can't, and the excess glue, I try to get with the alcohol wipe. Then boom, we have a nail. And I love how natural these look. They really look like they're acrylics versus being press-ons, which is great. Right now they look a little crusty. See, like I said, the glue will dry there, but I have a tip for that at the end too. So yeah, I'm gonna do one more with you guys and then probably zoom through these because I don't think you need to see me pushing on my nails over and over again. I feel, and this is funny, I feel like I'm giving up my secret because I post on Instagram a lot, obviously, and people be thinking that I get my nails done every 2 weeks. Like, damn, girl, you always at the salon, which is, oh, well, no, because like I said, I'm sanitary in a pandemic, and two, like, who just has that type of money laying around? But it's really been these. I feel like I'm giving it away. Like, everybody thinks I get acrylics all the time, and I'm just like, yeah, my nails are always done. But in reality, it's me doing them. So we have a second one on, same process. I'm just gonna keep going. Oh, try not to touch this shit. Like, really try, because when it gets on your skin, I can't even describe the feeling. I hate that shit. I mean, and like, it's not even just the Nailest glue, it's like all nail glue. I just really don't like it because it's super sticky and the texture leaves your skin feeling just nasty, honestly. But that's neither here nor there. When I press down, I like to make sure I'm pressing down at the actual point of my finger, like this. And make sure you try to press the cuticle area too, because that's kind of the first part that likes to lift. Do the little wipe again. All right, we got 3 on. I'm gonna keep going, and I'll come back to you guys with the thumbs. All right, I'm back. I'm just gonna finish up my thumbs. What did I want to tell you guys? Oh yeah, I know you can probably see the freaking light on my fingers, so I'm gonna make a note about that. That is from me wiping off the glue with the alcohol wipes. I guess, you know, the alcohol glue combo creates that like crust. I don't even kind of see it on the camera. It's real crusty though. You can't see it. It's super crusty. Not to lie to you guys. You get like a crust all over your finger. So try if you use the alcohol wipe to get rid of the excess glue, to go only on the area like really delicately. Also to avoid messing up the polish, but to avoid that ugly stuff that now all over my nails. But either way, I have a fix for it, so I'm not really pressed about it. And it's something that honestly we should all be doing anyways. So this is what I was talking about when I said there's a fix for that. This is the last step. Once your nails are all on like this, I like to put cuticle oil all around the cuticle, but also just like rub it in, especially on those areas that got glue on it. The cuticle oil will kind of help lift that when you do wash your hands eventually later. I'm going to wash my hands sooner than 3 hours from now because I have to film a video, and I'm thinking I might do my makeup in it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do my makeup in it. So obviously I need clean hands. Yeah, just go around with your cuticle oil. What you hear is the bottle cranking. This is my go-to cuticle oil. I will never use anything else. I thought cuticle oil was stupid before this, and then I found this product, and let me tell you why I didn't mind it. This is from Instant Acrylic. So this is awesome woman who went to my school. I don't want to say girl, but none of us are girl age anymore. We're definitely grown ass women. So yeah, she went to my college, or she's still there now. She's younger than me. And she has her own cosmetics line, and they have highlights and lip gloss and all types of shit, honestly. But she has this cuticle oil, the one that I'm putting on my fingers right now. And this shit, holy grail. As you can see, I'm putting it like on the inside of my nail too. It's just, I don't even know how to explain this to you. Like, I love her cuticle oil, so I'm almost out of it. I'm so mad I missed her Black Friday sale. Like, this shit is top tier. My cuticles would probably be looking way worse if I didn't do this all quarantine. But yeah, that's it. Wow, this was 20 minutes long, and I promised you that I was going slow to explain things. So imagine how quick this is. Like, this is such a quick process. I've done this in 5 minutes, and they stay on nice and perfect. They look great. They're nice and Christmas colored. Oh, I'm happy. These are cute. See, now I can make a point to my next video. I'm like, da, 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 da. Anyways, these are nails. You can do it yourself. It takes like 10 minutes. I will say the first time it might be a little difficult because it's just a new like way of moving around your hands. It's a new thing. It's gonna take you like 2 or 3 tries, but after that, I promise it'll be perfect. The first time I had to get my boyfriend's help. I was like, you put it on, I can't do it. But now look at me, an expert. I put this shit on in a car, okay? It's really great. It's, ooh, they're sharp too. I almost scratched the hell out of my ear. But yeah, these are my nails. I'm going to drop some of my favorite sets from the Nailest below. I'm just going to put the links. Y'all want to shop. I think also they're doing a holiday, like, Christmas set with the acrylics. I hope I'm not lying. That'd be really awkward. But I think they're doing that. If they are, I'm going to link it. that's pretty much it. And now we got cute nails in no time and on a budget because they're not expensive. That's the best part. All right, I'm gonna get to film my next video. But before I go, if you're all the way here, make sure, like I said in the beginning, that you're subscribing. Please, please join the family. They say on YouTube, oh, like, don't ask people to subscribe. Well, I'm gonna ask y'all to subscribe, all right? Like, come on, if you're not your biggest fan, then who's gonna be? Subscribe, guys. I gotta ask, but ain't nobody asking for me. All right. Now that I went on my rant, now that my nails are done and I'm ready to make points, you see how me having my nails done, I'm already making points. Like, all right, I just feel great. See you soon. See you later. Bye-bye.